So today we are seeing types of XPath. Okay, so we'll see what are the different types of XPath we have. We have already in previous lecture we have seen how to identify a web element by using ID, by using name, by using class name, then by using link text, then partial link text. Then we have seen by tag name, then CSS. So these all 7 locator we have seen already. Okay, now the last locator is XPath. So XPath, again we have so many types of XPath. Okay, XPath, absolute XPath, relative XPath, then XPath by attribute, then by text, by contents, by traversing, then independent dependent, then XPath by group index, then index. Okay, so these all things we are going to see one by one. Okay, so let me explain you, we'll go one by one. Okay, so let me check first absolute XPath, then we'll go for and we'll jump towards relative XPath. Okay, so one by one we'll go. Okay, so let's go for absolute XPath. So I'll just take you to the absolute XPath. Okay, so see, absolute XPath will be something which will start from the parent node. Okay, so in earlier lecture also I have already explained you. Okay, so suppose if I have to identify any web element, or this web element, so how I have to start? I have to start from the parent node here. From here I have to start HTML node, so then only I'll reach to that particular web element. Okay, so I'll just show you the quick explanation we have seen. So here if you see HTML, then we have head or body, two things. Okay, so always in one page we will be having some head and some body, so everything will be there inside body, right? So in one body, again so many division will be there. Okay, so in one division if you go, so again so many multiple division will be there. So if you want to traverse till here, so how you have to see how much you have to struggle. So you have to come till here. Okay, so let me see how lengthy it is if I'm using absolute XPath. Okay, so absolute XPath always start from the parent node. Okay, so parent node, this is document, this is starting of this Facebook HTML page document. Okay, so it will start from HTML. Okay, so HTML, so it will start from always here. Okay, you can't start from the middle. Okay, so if I'll start with the middle. Okay, div, see div, so see so many divs are there, we don't know. Okay, we don't know, but we can't able to identify this. Okay, if in middle I'll do, so absolute XPath will start from top, from starting of the document. Okay, so document start from HTML tag, so HTML tag done. So now we have head and we have body. Okay, so everything will be there in body, all the web element basically. So we'll see in body, so I'll just pass here slash, either I can go for, I'll just expand it and I'll just show you so that it will be very easy you to understand. So here HTML having two things, head and body. So this is for real time we are seeing Facebook. So it is having head and body. So if I'll go to head, nothing is there, means we don't have web element. So but in body we have all the web elements whatever I will be looking for. So from HTML, these are the two. Suppose HTML is parent, so this parent HTML is having two child, head and body. So from this parent I can move to the any child, any of the child. Okay, either this or either this. Okay, so now I have to go to body, so I'll just pass body, so slash body. Okay, body, so now I'll be in body. Okay, so now from body I have to go inside body. So inside body I have to go to div. Okay, then from div I have to go to this third div. So basically where is my, this name is there, so I'm just trying to identify that. I'm just trying to go to this this my text field. So see how lengthy it is. Okay, so I'm just going one by one. So I have, now I'm in body, so this is having, again let's see how many child, so multiple child is having. I have to go to this, I have to go to this first child. Okay, so div, first div. Okay, slash I can pass div, I'll give index. Now I can give the index because you are using XPath. I can give index first, so first div. Okay, inside first div if you go, so again see this lining, see small lining will be there. So this div will be having again this many child. Again which child I have to go, so let me check. So which child I have to go is, so I need to check. So see how lengthy it is writing the absolute XPath. So see I have to go to know from this div, I have to go to the second div. From second div I have to go, then again see how many div I have to write continuously. 6 div. Okay, so let me write first, how many div. Second div I have to go, so div I'll pass second. Okay, so now I am here. Now this div is having again another div, then again another div, another div, another div, another div. So how many div? So 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 times I'll write slash div slash div slash div slash div. So see, it's keep moving one by one, again slash div. See, I reached here. Now next is what? Now I'm here. So here if I'll go, so I'll reach here, go to Facebook. Okay, but I don't want to go. I from here also, from here I have to go in this one, because in this one again I have here, right? So see, this is very much hectic to navigate from there to there. So from here, so here it is actually. Okay, so I need to from here only I can, so I can give here index 2, so because it is here. Okay, so index 2, so I'll pass index 2, and now I reached here. Okay, then here I want to go where, so I want to, my requirement is this text field, reach this text field. Okay, so this parent again is having child called form. Okay, then this form is again having table. Okay, so form, I'll just write slash form. Okay, this form is having what? This form is having table, so I can give slash table. Then this table is again having this body, then inside body we have td. Okay, so slash t body we have, then we have tr. So tr, we have second tr, in second tr it is there. Okay, so I'll pass slash tr. So tr, second tr actually. Okay, so I reached here. So see how lengthy it is first, right? So it's keep my Xpath is becoming lengthy, more lengthy. Okay, so in this tr we have td, so again I have to pass td. So now in this td I have this input slash input. Now I reach to this particular input, okay, but still 2. So now again I can pass the index called 1. Okay, see, still it's not able to identify, so I will pass complete group index. Okay, so we'll see in later example, but see, now I reached here. Okay, so if I'll use this, so this XPath will work perfectly for this text. Okay, so this is which XPath? Absolute XPath, starting from parent node and reaching to till child. So just let me use this driver dot find element by dot XPath we are using this time. Okay, so XPath we are using. So see, this is very lengthy XPath actually. We have pass, then I'll just use dot send keys, and here only I'll pass something called Pankaj. Okay, Pankaj, perfect. So see, this is how big this little XPath is. This, okay, I'll just tell you what is the drawback of this XPath. Okay, so this XPath will be, you can generate by using FirePath in Firefox directly. You don't have to write, it will auto generate from the FirePath. Okay, you can go through Firefox and you can download Firebug and you can try it out. So see, Pankaj, it worked perfectly. Now I'll tell you what is the drawback of this absolute XPath. Okay, so see, now somebody have modifying something in this page. Okay, Facebook page. Now one div they have removed. Now see, this my XPath will not work. So if anything from parent to child, if anything will be removed, then this XPath is not at all going to work. Okay, so that's why it is never ever recommended to use absolute XPath in real time, because in application we might have to implement multiple things in future and we'll keep changing a small thing, and by changing something our code should not impact. But XPath, if you'll see, if you write absolute XPath, if anything will be changed in future, one div got removed or one extra div comes, suppose I'll just write one extra div. So see, it will not work, no element, 0 0, right? So it will match exactly what we are looking for. If any path will be missing, any one element, any one attribute or tag will be missing, it will not identify. So that's why it's never recommended to go for absolute XPath. This is how I explain. So HTML, it will start from HTML, it will go to body, then multiple div, then it will go to this inside. First it will go in HTML, then inside body, then inside body div, then whether this is first div or second div, then second div. So again in second div we have something. So if anything will be missed in between, so my absolute XPath is not going to work. This is how absolute XPath work. So we should never use absolute XPath in real time. So let's see how we can use relative XPath and how it will optimize our XPath. Okay, so in next lecture, see you in the next.